returning back home after 2.5 weeks in Bali, I had so much clarity. And at that point, I knew that I needed to really begin Operation Exodus. So I started packing up the house. And in about 2.5 months later, this happened. Hey all, so here is a very impromptu video. I'm at work, as you can see, at my work job, and just check my email, and we are officially, but actually we've already officially been on Operation Exodus, but we have been approved for our next adventure. We are downsizing from our house into an apartment so that we can start saving for the grand escape. And that has happened. We have got approved for that, which I did not for any moment doubt that would not happen. But so I just checked my email. It is about 30 days out that we will be officially back in an apartment after decades. There is a quote that I absolutely love, and the quote is, "You have to live like others won't so that you can live like others won't." And we are definitely in that part of this transition of Operation Exodus. And y'all just hang tight and hold tight and get ready for this ride. I share both of these thoughts with myself and you as a reminder that we actually possess the power to transform our aspirations and envision futures into reality. Through our determination and our inner strength, we can make the seamlessly impossible possible. So let us embrace this empowering truth and take actionable steps to bring our dreams to life. I cannot wait for this journey, and I hope that you guys continue to follow me on it. Operation Exodus is something that I have been dreaming about for a very long time, for a real long time, maybe a decade or two. But yes, Operation Exodus is definitely in motion right now. And I cannot wait for the journey, the ups and the downs and the in-betweens. So I hope you guys continue to follow me on this journey, and also to realize that you can do the same in any aspect in your life, as long as you put your mind to it. You pray and you meditate and you do the things that needs to be done in order to get to where you want to be. So until the next video, guys, I cannot wait to see how this entire journey unfolds. I will be also showing you guys how we transform our apartment. So yeah,